Should I stay or should I go? Part 3. Hello, welcome back to TCTA's Summer 2018 video series. I'm Don Larson, Director of Legal Services for Texas Classroom Teachers Association. We previously covered the fact that the State Board for Educator Certification can sanction the credentials of an educator who abandons a binding contract. That is to say, an educator who resigns after the summer resignation date without the consent of the district. So what about good cause for leaving a district? Good cause can prevent the State Board for Educator Certification from sanctioning the credentials of an educator who abandons a contract. There may be 50 ways to leave a school district, but only 3 of them constitute good cause. So let's start with good reasons for resigning. And again, good reasons, not good cause. Better pay, shorter commute, promotion, better working conditions. Those are good reasons for resigning from a contract and taking a new job, but they're not good cause. If a teacher resigns after the resignation date to take a job that offers a promotion, SBEC may still sanction the educator's credentials for contract abandonment. Although less frequently than in the past, districts will often give educators the courtesy of consent when an educator gets a promotion. Again, we just discussed good reasons for resigning. Despite the fact that many people think those are good cause, they are not. The State Board for Educator Certification has adopted rules that describe and define good cause. Those rules include, number 1, a serious illness or health condition of the educator or close family member of the educator. 2, relocation to a new city as a result of a change in the employer of the educator's spouse or partner with whom the educator resides. Or 3, a significant change in the educator's family needs that requires the educator to relocate or to devote more time than allowed by current employment. Without establishing one of those 3 reasons as good cause, an educator who resigns after the 45th day before the first day of instruction without consent risks the imposition of sanctions by the State Board for Educator Certification. SBEC has also adopted rules regarding steps that an educator may take to mitigate the risk of sanctions. In this sense, mitigation has to do with the steps an educator may take to minimize the effects of the disruption of a resignation. The following factors may be considered in making a decision under SBEC's rules regarding an educator who has abandoned a contract. A, did the educator give written notice to the school district 30 days or more in advance of the first day of instruction? B, did the educator assist the school district in finding a replacement educator? C, did the educator continue to work until the school district hired a replacement educator? D, did the educator assist in training the replacement educator? E, did an educator show good faith in communications and negotiations with a school district? Or F, did the educator provide lesson plans for classes following the educator's resignation? It is important to note that the steps an educator may take to mitigate the disruption caused by an educator's resignation do not, standing alone, constitute good cause for resignation, and SBEC may still sanction an educator's credentials for abandoning a binding contract. Any TCTA member who has questions about resignations, who has questions about their contract, or may have other questions about their employment can feel free to call the TCTA Legal Department, 888-879-8282, and talk to one of their staff attorneys. We thank you for watching this installment of TCTA's Summer 2018 video series. We hope you have a great summer.